Why don't senior citizens always enjoy their physical therapy sessions? Because it's the only time they're told they should actually break a leg. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on physical therapy for seniors. Tip 1. Finding the right therapist. It is crucial to find a physical therapist who specializes in working with seniors and understands their unique needs. They should be empathetic, patient, and knowledgeable about the conditions that affect the elderly, like arthritis, osteoporosis, balance disorders, and so on. Tip 2. Staying consistent. Consistency is key in physical therapy. Seniors should stick to their exercise and therapy regimen as closely as possible. Skipping sessions can lead to slower recovery or progress and could potentially worsen existing conditions. Tip 3. Setting realistic goals. For seniors, goals might center around improving mobility, reducing pain, or maintaining independence. It's important that these goals are realistic and achievable. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Tip 4. Start slow and easy. It's important to start with light exercises and gradually build up their intensity. This reduces the risk of injury and makes the transition into physical exercise smoother. Remember, the goal isn't to push the body to its limits, but to improve overall health and functionality. Tip 5. Integrating exercises into daily routine. This can help improve consistency and make the exercise regimen seem less daunting. This can be as simple as doing exercises during TV commercial breaks or performing balance exercises while washing dishes. Tip 6. Wearing suitable attire. Wearing loose, comfortable clothing and proper footwear can make a big difference during physical therapy sessions. They will allow for more free movement and prevent any unnecessary accidents or injuries. Tip 7. Hydrate and eat right. Proper nutrition and hydration are essential for recovery and strength building. They also ensure that the body is in an optimal state for exercise and physical therapy. Tip 8. Listen to bodily signals. An essential part of physical therapy is listening to the body's signals. Seniors should stop or modify an exercise if it causes pain or discomfort and should communicate this to their therapists promptly. Tip 9. Continuing exercise at home. Seniors should continue their physical therapy exercises at home, even if they also go to sessions with a professional. This will help to reinforce the work being done and speed up progress. Tip 10. Regular communication with the therapist. Regular feedback and open communication with the physical therapist are vital. It allows the therapist to modify the program as necessary to meet the individual's evolving needs. Tip 11. Regular checkups. Regular physical examination and checkups are essential to monitor progress and adapt the physical therapy program as needed. They can also help detect potential health issues at an early stage, which is particularly important for seniors.